Okay, so now we're gonna just have a little garnish for the fish. So we're gonna steam open a little bit of
A little more wine.
clams. So we'll have the wine.
Uh-oh, that's hot.
Okay, so we have our clams going.
Great, so we're
All
gonna
right.
get these to open up.
We have a puree. I made a little potato puree with Yukon Gold. All right.
And how did you do that? Did you just boil it down?
I just
and
boiled the
then-
potatoes and then ran them through a sieve. Added some butter to it, a good amount of butter, a little olive oil, salt, pepper, just a touch of cream.
Great, so will this be a base for the
This
the
a little.
plate,
I like to
or-
have a little bit of base, and potato is actually a really good thing.
Okay,
So we'll also need a little bit of salad to garnish the top of the fish with.
great.
So what we'll do is we'll grab a little bowl. If I have some cherry tomatoes, normally I might oven dry them, but I found these at Whole Foods yesterday.
Yeah, they're
And they're
beautiful.
really nice. So I
look
just
nice
took
and
the
fresh.
skin off, boil them, took them out, cool them down.
Okay, so you took the skin off.
Yep.
Great.
We'll use some olives, some green olives.
And that's a little
This is a little fennel,
funnel.
little shaved, just a little bit
Fennel
shaved.
in the sauce
Little
here.
fennel in the sauce and just a little bit shaved real fine. Put a little bit of that in there.
How'd you shave it so fine? Did you use a mandolin?
I use a Asian mandolin.
Okay,
And then this is micro basil. Just put a little bit of that in
great.
as well. And that'll be our little garnish. All right.
Looks good, nice and fresh.
And then we'll just season that with a little bit of salt and pepper.
This here,
Yep, you can do it.
got it covered.
You are the best.
Good at the seasoning part.
You are.
All right, mix this around.
And then right at the end, we'll just finish it with a little bit of the lemon juice, just a tiny, tiny bit.
Okay, perfect.
All right. Okay, so we got our clams going. We're gonna wait. The clams aren't quite open yet. The mussels are starting to
The
open
mussels
up.
are starting to open.
You can actually smell them. So if you want, you can put a little bit of, just a little drop of the lemon.
the lemon
Yeah,
juice.
and then put some salt and pepper on that.
Okay.
And I don't want a real lot of potato. I'm just gonna put a tiny,
So
tiny
a
bit.
nice little dollop in the center.
Just a little dollop. Put our fish on, and I'll let you garnish. Just want to give the sauce a little buzz.
Great. Just get a towel, clean that up. I wasn't so good at balancing.
That's all right. Looks good. You did a great job.
Thank you.
Did a great job. I mean, presentation's important, but
Eat with your eyes first.
that's right.
That's what I'm told.
So now we're gonna put a little bit of sauce.
Beautiful color.
Yeah, it is.
Really nice. That
You got the
saffron.
yellow from the saffron.
That's right.
You got the tomato.
Really nice and light. I can see what you mean though. It is kind of in between that texture of a soup and a sauce. It's
Yep.
not really
Absolutely.
completely one. Garnishing with the mussel and clams. Very artistic.